One of the things we learn as we go along the spiritual path, one of the hardest lessons we learn, is that the dark will imitate the light. It's easy to recognize the things that we name as evil or wrong when they're very obvious. What is much harder and much more subtle is when darkness is taking on the skin or the exterior imitation of lightness. We can be easily seduced by things that sound too good to be true. We can be easily seduced by the idea that there is a magic bullet, that we do not have to earn or work for the deep spiritual wisdom that comes from non-negotiable devotional practices, that comes from learning how to reach into our intuitive power to be able to negotiate the differences between what is actually the light and that which is imitating the light for its own gain. As our light rises, perhaps it is not unexpected that things may be put in our path that will invite us to test our wisdom, our spiritual metal, if you like. So it is much more in the subtleties of the difference between the light and the dark that we can be caught out. And it is in knowing how to discern the difference that we are able to live lives of bliss. This takes deepening into our intuitive knowing. It takes working the muscle. It takes devoting yourself to the non-negotiable practices rather than seeking the magic bullet, the quick fix outside of ourselves. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Go deep into your intuitive knowing. Go deep into your spiritual practices and find that which you are seeking within.